So OBD2 port is right here, right under the steering wheel. And to get to the fuses, you open this, and it says right there fuse, it's in here. To open it, you just kind of like pop up and then take it out. There's your fuses. So let's put it back, and that's the information. To put it back, you put those in first, and then you just push it in, and it clicks just like that. To get to the other fuse box, you have to open the hood. To open the hood, there's a latch. And the other one, the main one, is right here, fuse box. And here's to open it. You just have to click on this, and it opens it. Here's the information. And extra fuse boxes. I mean fuses if you need them. To put it back, you just same way. To close it, you just push it. That's it.